Forgot your Gmail password? Lost your phone? Maybe you reset your device, or worse, your account got hacked. Whatever the reason, if Google can't verify, it's you. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to recover your Gmail account, step by step. Whether you're dealing with a forgotten password, a factory reset, or just locked out for no clear reason, these methods can help you get back in and secure your account. This method works on any device. Before we move on, if you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update on recovering your Gmail account. Now let's start with the first method. Recover your Gmail account using the last password. This is a great option if you've forgotten your current password or someone changed your password. First, open any web browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome. Next, search for Gmail account recovery. From the search results, click on How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Scroll down until you find the Forgot Your Password. Then click on the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Alright, go ahead and enter the email address you wish to recover, then click Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your password. If you remember it, simply enter it and click Next to regain access to your Gmail account. But if you've forgotten your password or believe it has been changed by someone else, then click on Try Another Way to proceed with alternative recovery options. Now you have a chance to recover your Gmail account with your last or previous password. Simply enter the password you remember. In my experience, I was able to recover my account using my 11th most recent password. If you don't recall your most recent password, try entering any previous one you do remember. The more recent, the better. If you're unsure, make your best guess. Incorrect attempts won't lock you out of the recovery process. Once you have typed your last password, click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using a previously known password. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Create a strong, secure password and be sure to store it safely to avoid future access issues. Finally, click Save Password to complete the process. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click on Try Another Way to proceed with the next recovery options. Now you have the option to recover your Gmail account using your recovery email. Now, how does this method work? If you ever added a recovery email address before on your account, then Google will show you this recovery option while recovering your account, and Google will send a verification code to that email address. And with the help of that code, you can recover your Gmail account. This method is very helpful when you reset your phone or lose your phone. Now here you can see this masked email address. This is our recovery email address. But when you are on this page, it will show yours. Now here you can see Google already sent a verification code to the recovery email address. So simply open that email address and then click on the email where it shows Google verification code. Now this is the verification code. Type this 6-digit number on the recovery page and then click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account through the recovery email address. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click Try Another Way to proceed with the next recovery options. Now, if you see this type of screen, it means you can recover your account via Google Prompts. Now, what are Google Prompts? Google Prompts is a 2-factor authentication feature provided by Google to help secure your account. When you sign into your Google account on a new device, instead of entering a code from a text message or an Authenticator app, you can get a push notification on your phone asking you to approve or deny the sign-in attempt. Usually you get a prompt on your phone, usually through the Google or Gmail app, asking, "Are you trying to sign in?" Just tap yes or no to allow or deny the login. It's more secure than SMS because it reduces risks associated with text message interception or SIM swapping. You must be signed into your Google account on a compatible Android or iOS device to use prompts. This method is especially useful if you've forgotten your password, lost access to your recovery email, or you reset your phone or lost your phone. Now here, you can see Google says, open your Redmi Note 8 Pro Mobile and then tap yes on the Google notification, and then tap on 97 to verify it's you. Now this phone is a Redmi Note 8 Pro, but I don't get Google notifications. Why? Because I reset this phone. Now how do I get this Google notification? If I added any other Android or iOS device before being locked out, then I can view this notification. And luckily, I added my iPhone 13. So I can open my iPhone and then tap on the Google notification. If you don't get a notification, then simply open the Google app. Now tap on Yes, it's me, and next tap on 97. Now, you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using Google prompts. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click I don't have my phone to proceed with the next recovery options. Now, you have the option to recover your Gmail account by verifying your identity through your recovery phone number. At this point, if you ever added a phone number to your account, then it's shown here with masked. Now, select the country code where you're from and then type your phone number. Next, click on Send. After that, Google will send a verification code to your phone number. You can view the verification code on the notification screen or simply check the text message from Google. Once you get the code, simply type the code here and then click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using a recovery phone number. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click I don't have my phone to proceed with the next recovery options. Now Google will ask for a two-step verification code. Open your Google Authenticator app, find the 6-digit code for your account, and enter it. Click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using Google Authenticator. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click Try another way to proceed with the next recovery options. Now you have the option to recover your Gmail account using backup codes. If you ever reset your phone, or lost your phone, or can't access your Authenticator app, or have no signal for SMS, then your backup codes are a reliable way to recover a Gmail account. Google Backup Codes are a set of single-use, 8-digit codes that Google provides as a backup method for signing into your account when you can't receive two-step verification codes through your phone or authentication app. Each code can be used only once. Google provides 10 codes at a time. Each code is a simple 8-digit number. Can access offline, no internet or device needed, just the code. You can download or print them and store them securely. You can regenerate a new set anytime, and once you regenerate it, it invalidates the old set. Enter one of your backup codes here, and then click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using backup codes. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, I will show you how to recover a Gmail account using passkeys and security keys. First, I'll tell you what are passkeys and security keys. Passkeys let you log in using your fingerprint, face, or device lock. No passwords are needed. Security keys are physical devices, like a USB stick, used for secure logins. If you've set either up with your Google account, you're in luck. In this video, I'll just show you only for passkeys. The security key method is a bit tricky, so I'll cover it in a future video. Now, first open any web browser app you like. I use Chrome. Now just search for Gmail login, then click on this link. Next, click on Sign In. After that, type your email address, then click on Next. Now click on Try Another Way. Next, Google provides a passkey option. Just tap on it. After that, you can log in with your phone passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. Now you've successfully logged in to your Gmail account using passkeys. Next, you need to change your password, so click on Use the web version. Click here. Click on your email ID. Now click on Manage your Google account. Next, click on Personal Info and scroll down until you find the Password tab. Click on Password. Now set a strong password and then click on Change Password. Passkeys and security keys are powerful tools and lifesavers when recovering your account. Be sure to set them up in your Google settings today so you're always protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe online.